I'm going to show y'all how to make the best sandwich. I've already laid out my mayo. You want to put your Havarti cheese on your bread with your mayo. And then you want to put your meat on the side that has your mustard. The meat is already seasoned.
Throw it together.
The meat is already seasoned, so don't put it on your mayo or it's not going to do the right thing. The cheese is bitter. It's salty, so it doesn't need to go on the mustard. Then you don't want to put the lettuce or tomato on the bread. So I'm going to put the lettuce on top of the cheese. And then I'm going to put some cucumbers on here as well. Cheyenne thinks that it doesn't matter, but I do not agree. This is how you make the best sandwich. Okay? I'm going to cut up some avocado. And I'm going to explain how I did this again, because follow my rules, you will see. And then now that we have our avocado in there.
Actually, can I have some cucumbers? That looks good. But
I'm not going to put any tomato on my sandwich because the cucumber is juicy enough. But I cannot have a sandwich without avocado.
Thank you.
There you go. So remember, put your meat on your mustard side and your cheese on your mayo side. And you don't want any watery ingredients close to the bread. And there you have the perfect sandwich.
Yeah, that's why I'm using my mayo. Ew, no. That stuff's nasty. That's why I'm using my cheese to prevent the cucumbers from getting to the
cheese
bread.
is already salty, so you don't need to put it on the mustard. Put it on the mayo.
Bussin'. Look at those layers. Wow.
And then the meat is seasoned, so put it on your mustard.
You know what? Them cucumbers right there.